Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official 5 Minutes of Freddy's cookbook. Today we're making Chica's ultimate Thai chicken burger. Thank you OO for commenting. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what I make next in the comments below. First thing you need to do is make the Chica-licious Thai patties. You should start by prepping your ingredients, which includes chopping 5 green onions, zesting and juicing a lime, and chopping up a tablespoon of cilantro if you're using it. I'm not, because my parents think it tastes like soap. Now you want to cut up 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, around a pound each. Now, put your chicken in a food processor with 1 beaten egg and pulse until minced but not mushy. Now add your chicken to a mixing bowl and add 2 crushed garlic cloves, your green onions, your lime stuff, a tablespoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of fish sauce, a tablespoon of red Thai curry paste, and your cilantro, and mix well. Once that's thoroughly mixed, add 2 cups of breadcrumbs and combine. Now separate it into even portions and make them into patties. I got 6, but it's supposed to only make 4. Once all your patties are formed, put them in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Now onto the burger recipe. This only makes 2 burgers, so if you want to use all 4 patties, you want to double it. You'll start this recipe off by making the slaw. So first, you want to shred a 1/4 cup of red cabbage, peel 1 carrot and slice it into matchsticks. Finally slice half a red onion, and finally seed and chop half a red chili. And also juice 1 lime. Now in a bowl you want to combine all of your prepped ingredients along with half a tablespoon of honey, 1 crushed garlic clove, a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, half a tablespoon of soy sauce, and a handful of cilantro if you're using it. To finish off the slaw, you're going to mix it all together and then let it sit for 15 minutes. While it's sitting, you can cook your patties in a pan. I got my dad to cook the patties on the barbecue. And finally, for the sauce, you're just going to combine 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 2 teaspoons of sweet chili Thai sauce in a bowl. And you're done. To assemble it, you're going to want to put the sauce on the bottom bun, then put a little bit of lettuce. It specifically asks for arugula. Then you're going to put the patty, then a generous helping of slaw, and finally the top bun. These were amazing. The lime stood out so much, and it was so tasty. And the slaw works so well on just sandwiches as well. Highly recommend. I would give it a solid 9.5 out of 10.